Hello, it's already day 11 of Inktober Tangles 2023, so I'm done with 1/3. And the interesting thing is, yesterday we did these round shapes around the tangle, and today we have another round tangle. So I'm just going to roll with it. Maybe one will be enough. I will nest it here and start with one. And you can see how I'm drawing it in a way that it's hidden behind these tangles, because I like to do that when I add tangles, not to leave too much space between them, so that it doesn't look sectioned and too empty. And now I will just choose one side of the orb and add another orb inside, and you see how it's touching the edge of the big one. And now everything you need to do is add some aura lines. So I'm adding aura lines first around this inner circle, and now I need to take care that I don't cross any of the lines here, because I'm kind of nesting it here behind the other tangles. Then I will start here with this orb, and this tangle is not new to me, and you might remember it if you followed my 100-day challenge, because I used it in my 100-day challenge. I don't know if I said the name. It's Dark Busters by Diana Marshall, so you can even find my drawing from the 100-day challenge. Now I'll apply some shades, and then I will decide if I want to have another one or not. Usually when I draw, I like to use several tangles, several pieces of the same tangle inside my drawing, and they always look nicer when there are more of them. The more the merrier, almost. But sometimes I do it on like opposite sides of the tile to get some balance, or not necessarily next to each other. I think I will just add this one here, and then later at some point, I might decide to add another one or not. So here's my Dark Buster. It's kind of cute. It reminds me of a mummy. So now I wonder if I even need any blending of this highlight. Sometimes you don't even need it. I think I might be done. This one was quick. I like that. But these small bite-sized projects like daily tangles, I don't think that you can say that you don't have time. It's just a few minutes, especially with some of those. So day 11 done, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.